Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'd really love that. If you're returning, how you doing? Listen, do you bank with Bank of America? If so, whoa, get out now if you still can. They pulled a Wells Fargo. Yeah. What they did was they opened up fake bank accounts and they charged illegal fees to their customers. They have agreed to pay $150 million in fines and $100 million to customers for opening up unauthorized credit card accounts, improperly charging extra fees, and withholding rewards. And this is according to U.S. regulators. The bank was fined by the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau for systematically double dipping on fees imposed on customers with insufficient funds in their accounts. Now, BOFA, or Bank of America, also failed to pay advertised credit card reward bonuses and enrolled customers in new cards without their authorization or their knowledge. This $150 million is broken down into a $90 million penalty to the CFPB and $60 million to the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency. The bank, they did not admit to, nor did they deny the allegations as part of the settlement. So Bank of America, they wrongfully withheld credit card rewards, double dipped on fees, and opened accounts without consent. And these practices, they are illegal and they undermine the customer's trust. So the Consumer Protection Agency found that Bank of America charged customers a $35 overdraft fee, and then they double dipped it by allowing the fees to be charged repeatedly for the same transaction. And that allowed the North Carolina-based bank to generate substantial additional revenue. And Bank of America said in an emailed statement that it voluntarily reduced overdraft fees and eliminated all insufficient fund fees in the first half of 2022. And it declined to address the case or the allegations against the lender. Now, in early 2022, BOFA, they vowed to cut back on fees charged to customers for insufficient funds to cover check and debit card charges after Senator Elizabeth Warren said that they snatched billions from struggling families and that big banks raked in billions from this abusive practice during the pandemic. Now, while BOFA did take some steps to reduce the impact on its customers, it didn't completely eliminate overdraft fees and has been under consideration. So the CFPB also said that BOFA employees had been opening credit card accounts for customers without their knowledge, dating back to all the way to 2012. And this led to unjustified fees being charged and impacting borrowers' credit. And BOFA also withheld cash rewards or bonus points earned by tens of thousands of customers for signing up for credit cards. So I had gotten away from Bank of America, oh my goodness gracious me, early 2000s, because for some reason my bank account, my debit card number kept getting out, and fictitious transactions kept happening, and I was just like, what's going on here, so we had gotten away from them and we went with a credit union, and we've been with a credit union ever since. Now, not saying it hasn't happened since, it has, but not as much. So if you are with Bank of America, please do yourself the favor and get away from them, okay? Because they're just as bad as Wells Fargo. All right, guys, that's all for this video. I will see you in the next one. You stay safe, you stay positive, you keep prepping, and as always, fear less. Ciao.